People go wild for this. I think it might be more popular than the turkey some years, but don't tell the turkey. It's so good. Hi, I'm Deb Perelman, cookbook author and the creator of Smitten Kitchen, and I'm here in California celebrating Thanksgiving with Sonoma. Today I'm going to show you how I make my herb and garlic baked camembert. This is one of the easiest appetizers I know how to make and by far the most popular. I'm going to start by taking a small wheel of camembert, and if you've got fancy stuff, that's great, but do know that this works with really inexpensive grocery store stuff too. I'm going to make small, half-inch deep scores with a knife in two directions. And after this, I'm going to take some sliced garlic and I'm going to push it in between some of the slits I just cut. Put a few of these in here. I find using the back of the knife is really helpful because it doesn't break the garlic while making sure it gets in there. Okay, so I'm going to put this on the tray. I'm going to mince some fresh rosemary and some fresh thyme. I'm going to mince this up pretty small, so you want it to infuse as much as possible. Add some oil. Season it well with salt and pepper. I'm going to stir this all up. I'm going to spoon this right over the cheese. People go wild for this. I know on Thanksgiving we're often heating up a lot of other foods. Whether your oven is a little hotter or a little cooler than I recommend, it will still work. If it's a little hotter, it just might be done sooner. If it's a little cooler, it might take a little longer. The recipe is very forgiving, which is perfect for us. We have a lot on our plate at Thanksgiving. Goodness. If your cheese comes in a wooden basket, you can bake it right inside there and serve it too. It does a great job of holding the whole thing together. Got some crackers here. I usually keep the crackers very plain because I want the cheese to be the star. And then, this is the really fun part because you've got this bubbly cauldron of melted camembert that's so seasoned and flavorful. It smells amazing in here. And everyone just digs right in. Look at this.